Welcome to SoftwareLinkers Ghana. In today's tutorial, we are going to learn how to register and assign a guardian to a student. So the SoftwareLinkers school management software is having a guardian feature, which is very important, especially to boarding schools where students are visited by their guardians. So to register a guardian and assign the guardian to a student so that anytime the guardian visits the school or comes to pick up the student, you will be able to identify that this particular guardian is for this particular student. So to register a guardian and assign the guardian to a student, after logging into the school management software, you click on students and then click on guardian. So the manage guardian is having two options. We have guardians, we have relations, and then we have verification. So first of all, before we register the guardian, we have to register the guardian student relation. So when you go to manage guardians, you click on relations. So here we have to first of all register the relationship between guardians and students before we can register the guardian. So some guardians, their relationship is father. Some guardians are father to the student, others mother, sister. We can have sister. We can have brother. We can have uncle. So this means that what is the relationship of the guardian to the student? So we can have auntie. So you register all the relationship you want to use in your school. So after registering your guardian relations, you then come back to student, come back to manage guardian, and then click on guardians. So when we come here, we are now going to register a new guardian and assign the guardian to a student. So here, click on the new guardian tab. So you'll be sent to the guardian registration page. Here we have a couple of fields. We have the name, the phone number 1, phone number 2, address, CNIC, status. So here the name of the what's the name of the guardian. So let's say the name of the guardian is Khalid. The phone number of the guardian. If the guardians have more than one phone number, you register all the phone numbers. That is if you want. So biometric sensor, in case you are using a biometric sensor and then you want to verify each guardian anytime they come to visit or pick up the child, you click on the biometric sensor. That is after connecting your biometric device to the computer, and you click on the biometric sensor, and then the guardian will place his or her thumb on the biometric sensor, and then the bio data will be captured. So here too, you come and indicate the address of the guardian, house number, anything. So the biometric sensor is optional. That is if you are using it. The CNIC, in case you are using a CNIC, that is maybe Ghana card, any national identification number, you can put it here. Maybe Ghana card of the parent, so that when the parent comes, the parent will have to show you the Ghana card before the parent can see or visit the students. Maybe in case you are using something like that, you can put the Ghana card of the parent that is in Ghana, then the status of the guardian is active. So we also have play voice on biometric verification. You can record the voice of the guardian so that anytime the guardian comes to pick up or check up on the student, you will play it to verify it. So you can click on play voice, record the voice, and then save it so that anytime the guardian comes to pick up the child, you play it. So when you come to this place, start recording, you record the voice and then save it, and then that will be all. So when you are done filling these fields, you click on the add button. So record inserted successfully. So now after adding, you see that add or remove student will now be active. So after adding this guardian called Khalid do, this button will now be, or link will now be active. So now come and click on the link to assign a student to this guardian. So when you click on this link, you will be sent to the page where you can assign a student to this guardian. So here you select the class of the student. Then you are going to assign to the guardian. I'm going to select class 1E. Then you select the student. I'm going to select John Doe. Then what is the relationship of this student to the guardian? Let's say the father. That is the father. Then when you select the relationship, you now come and click on the link button. then action successful. So we have linked John Doe to the guardian called Khalid Doe. So now I'll close this. It means that John Doe is now linked to Khalid Doe. So that is how easy you can register a guardian and then link the guardian to a student, so that anytime the guardian visits the school to visit the student or to pick up the student, you'll be able to come to this place and verify that Khalid Doe is the guardian of John Doe. Thank you very much.